Hello Financial. Okay, this is going to walk you through the Intuit TurboTax, like logging in, part. Now, this is going to be graded as a test because it's actually having you read a W-2, getting all the information, and then filling out the taxes. So this is an assessment based on your taxes. So let's go to Classwork. And then you're going to need to go down to, so we have assessments up here, investing, taxes. So Unit 4, taxes, April 26th. You need to open this up and you will need to complete this. So everything that you need is already posted there. Sorry, mine looks different than the rest of yours. Okay, so what you're going to do is, first off, everyone will have their own assignment. I created a copy for everyone, and it looks like this. So when you open it up, you'll have this. Then you need to go back to the assignment, and you're going to need to pick one of these. So let's just pick Carissa. It doesn't matter. You need to pick one of these three. Everything you need to know to file the taxes are going to be on the sheet right here. So this is Carissa's W-2. Has a little blurb about who she is, what she's doing, who she is. She's an independent adult. She's working. It has her job title, has how much she got. It even goes and says how much she got for her stimulus in 2020, where she lives. If asked on the state return, Kansas City is in Jackson County. So it has all the information that you'll need to file the taxes as this person. All right, so here is the tricky part. So if we go back, we are going to click on this right here. So this is a test account. Here's the deal. When you log in, you need to complete the entire W-2, or complete your taxes for that W-2. You got to complete it all the way. You can't start this and save it and go back in. It doesn't have the capability to do that. So what you're going to do, and I've provided this right here, you are going to use this at intuiteducation.com, and you're going to create a fake email address. A lot of people have been using their student number and then just hitting paste. Okay, so then you're going to use this every single time. So I'm going to hit copy, then I'm going to paste it here, then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so you're going to use it for the first three boxes. Phone number, don't put anything there. And then your password, you can pick any password you want, but it has been suggested, and if you go to the toolkit, this walks you through it as well. So if you go right here, you're going to create this. It says, taxes are fun, taxes are fun. They suggest you use capital T, TurboTax, 1234, exclamation point as a password. Again, this isn't going to save, so there's no sense in saving it because every time that you log out or get kicked out, you have to start all over. So it's going to be in your best interest just to finish it right away. So again, there is this resource on Google Classroom. The next thing you're going to want to do, so let's go ahead and finish this. So we said TurboTax 1234 exclamation point, and then we just do it again. TurboTax 1234 exclamation point. Okay, so then you create an account. It's going to log you in. Also, if it says that your username has already been used, just add some numbers after it. It honestly doesn't matter. Okay, we're not going to save because we don't need to. So if we go back to the toolkit, it says so step 2 is let's get started. So you just start with some personal information. Again, you're not putting your personal information. You're putting the information from the W-2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to this and hit continue. We don't need to worry about any of that. All right, we're going to get started, and there you go. So that's it. You start plugging in the information from the W-2 that you chose. I don't care which one you choose, just choose one of the three. The other thing is some have more than one W-2. Each one has something extra to it, so it doesn't matter which one you choose, you're just going to have to choose it. When you get to step 3, you're going to say you need to work on your W-2, and then you're going to do that. If you have more than one W-2, you will be able to enter it. but you will be entering in the information. I already have these completed, so I know what your refund should be. I know what if you're going to have a state and a federal or not for each one of those W-2s. So this is something that you actually need to complete correctly. Then when you're done getting all of that information and entering your taxes, you'll go back to the assignment and you have all of this filled out. You could start with this by filling it out. You get all of that, so I know which one. You're going to fill out your so you're going to do this. Once you're finished, you're going to answer. So it says follow your teacher's directions on how to submit your work. Just take a screenshot of what you have, put it right here. So here, I'll even put it in here. Your last screen, so your last part, and paste here. Oops. Okay, so that's what you're going to do here. You're going to tell me what you ended up. If you owe, I need to know if you're owing or if you're receiving a refund, not just a number. I owe this in taxes. I'm receiving this refund because I overpaid in taxes. Then you're going to answer these questions, and then that's it. So for 100 points, that's what you need to do. It is being graded as an assessment. It is basically a project. So make sure you get this done. It took my students who did this in person, who did it on Monday, that took them about 20 minutes. So everyone needs to complete this. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, hold on. All right, so have a great day.